Here's how to turn on this security setting on Instagram. Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms with millions of users all across the world, and it's taken a few measured steps to strengthen the security of accounts. It's efficiently created a few safety tools and features that ensure users a secure user experience, especially if you frequently shop from Instagram, then your card details might be visible. Turn them off by following this step-by-step guide. Firstly, open Instagram and then tap the profile icon. Scroll down and click on Orders and Payments. Afterwards, you would see a security tab. Two options would appear now. Always ask for a PIN to confirm payments. Turn it on. Use Face ID instead of PIN. Turn it on, which is comparatively more secure than the first one. Apart from this payment feature, it also offers you a variety of innovative security features that ensure you offer the utmost safety and offer an enhanced user experience. Meta-owned platform Instagram supports end-to-end encryption to your chats. So once you've encrypted your chat, then your conversation will be private with a lock. The account recovery feature helps to recover your account instantly in case you forget your password or find some suspicious activity. Then it seamlessly helps you.